Microsoft Paint, Microsoft Word, Calculator. Minimize all windows except the calculator window. Reduce the size of the calculator and move it anywhere. Resize the Microsoft Word window same size as the calculator window. Close the calculator. Display the window for Microsoft Paint using the taskbar, then maximize the window. Microsoft Word and Paint program using the Restore down button. Close Microsoft Word, close Microsoft Paint.